Fact about pigeons. Meet the pigeon, a bird with a surprising secret life. Did you know they were domesticated over 5,000 years ago? These birds are far from ordinary. They can recognize themselves in a mirror, showcasing their intelligence. Pigeons are known for their incredible homing abilities. They use the Earth's magnetic fields to navigate, even across long distances. They also play an important role in history. Pigeons served as wartime messengers, saving countless lives with their speed and reliability. So, next time you see a pigeon, remember, they're not just birds, but extraordinary creatures with a rich history.